What is up YouTube? Welcome back. It's the Technoboy, and what you're seeing now, that's a Philips 5.1 home theater, and that's also Philips 5.1 home theater. That's the spa8000b, and that's DSP30U, I guess. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna do the sound test comparison between these two home theaters. And well, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna play the sounds and you're gonna decide that. Well, I'm using the same camera and mic for both of them. I'm gonna play 2 or 3 songs on both of them, and you're gonna decide which one sounds better. Obviously I know that. Well, don't compare the bass because that's a 8-inch subwoofer, a big size enclosure, and that's a 5-inch subwoofer, I guess, very small comparing to this one. So the bass wouldn't match, but just check the sound quality and the highs and mids, the sounds. So that's it, and I'm gonna start with this one, so let's do it. Cause I can see you anywhere. Cause I'm falling off, but I should go up. Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go. Cause you know I won't stay around. Let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. Bye.